Good morning, everybody. I'd like to show you today how to use your time efficiently when you're searching for that good stuff on YouTube to show to your students. When you start to look for videos on YouTube, the filters will show up once you have typed in a search term. My first tip for you today is to use the words "for kids" whenever you want to just quickly limit the a number of videos that are going to show up, because this way you're only going to see at least kid-rated videos. And right here you see the word filter, and that's where you're going to click to get those filters to open. So when I click the filter button, you can see I have a lot of choices here. A couple that I want to point out to you that are super helpful for teachers. The first one is duration. Obviously, sometimes you are just looking for something that is less than 4 minutes long. The next thing that might be helpful to you that you're looking for is this idea of searching by channel, and that's under the type column there. The word is channel. I'm going to click on channel, and my search results are only going to be channels, and you will see here that there are lots of channels that you might want to take a look at to could be something useful that you would want to use all year long to go back to, because they have really great content. This one happens to have, 251,000 subscribers, so I might want to go to this channel and just take a look around and see what's there. And I see a lot of interesting videos, and I can go look at my force and motion one and see if that's the one that I want to use. And then finally, another feature that you might want to use when you're searching is the upload date, particularly when you're looking for technology-related things, things maybe to do with your device or your phone. You're going to want to choose something either this month or this year so that you get results that are super relevant to the problem that you're looking for. Have a great day, everybody.